want to show you the awesome new way that we set up the potential vendor page and the ability to send out the vendor agreement electronically. So in the maintenance department, go over here to potential vendors. You're all familiar with that. You'll see in here the list of them. We have them broken up into a few different statuses, which I'll show you here in a second. But go to add a vendor, and you'll just add your vendor in. Now you can add a new vendor in. So like if you see someone off the street, we could add them in and we could call them. And whether you're going to call them right now, we can add them in to call later. Or if you have somebody that you talk to and you want to send them a vendor agreement, you put them in here. So you fill out all this information. I'll skip forward because I already put Revive in here because I'm sending them an agreement to get it signed because we don't have the most current one up to date. So I have Revive in here. I've gone through. I've added their services. This vendor type's going to go away, so I didn't do anything with that. But stage of onboarding. So need to call or qualify. That means, that's just if Brian has a list of somebody, or if somebody sees a vendor gets a flyer, we could put them in here, and we could need to call them still. Not qualified, so maybe we call them and they don't qualify, or they qualify, we send the vendor agreement, they never sent it back. Waiting for signed agreement, that's the status this one's about to be in once we send out this agreement, or once it comes back, we keep it in here until we get the insurance or W-9. So you have all these different questions, but then you get down here, and when you are ready to create the vendor agreement, you'll hit generate. Now over here on this side, it pops up, it'll say vendor agreement generated successfully. And this is the agreement. You can look at it and you can see just the name in here. And then you simply hit send for e-signature, and this will send it out through Right Signature, and they'll get it. I will get it, Mark will get it, and I'll countersign it. And when it comes back, it'll automatically move it into this waiting for insurance or W-9. Now, once we have that done, then we are going to push this over here, push to vendors app. Now, when we go to push to the vendors app, if we don't have everything, it won't let it push over. And that means you don't have to re-enter all this. But now they're getting it electronically, and we can have this come back, and then we can push it over, and we kind of track the statuses that these are in. So talk to you soon.